Hello, my dears. We will read a famous fairy tale. It's called Frozen. Frozen. When Princess Elsa and Princess Anna of Andrella were little girls, they were the best of friends. Anna was one of the only people who knew Elsa's secret. Elsa has the power to make snow and ice. One night Elsa filled an empty ballroom with snow so the sisters could play together. But as they played, Elsa lost control. She accidentally hit Anna with a blast of ice magic. Anna was badly hurt. Her parents went to the ancient mountain trolls for help. A wise old troll told them that Anna could be saved. She was lucky to have been hit in the heart, not in the hurt. Anna did not remember what had happened. To keep Elsa's gift a secret from everyone else, their parents surrounded the castle with walls and never let anyone inside. But wherever Elsa had strong feelings, the magic still spilled out. Elsa didn't want to hurt her sister again, so she stopped playing with Anna. That made Anna very lonely. Even after their parents were lost in a storm at sea, the sisters didn't spend any time together. Years later, it was time for Elsa to become Queen of Arendelle. For just that day, the castle gates were opened and hundreds of people attended the coronation ceremony. Elsa worked hard to hide her feelings and her powers. At the party, Anna danced with handsome prince Hans from the South Isles. He made her heart flutter. It seemed like they had everything in common. They decided to get married. Elsa thought their engagement was a bad idea. She told Anna, "You can't marry a man you just met." Anna couldn't believe it. "Why do you shut me out? What are you so afraid of?" Elsa started to lose control. "Enough!" As she shouted, ice shot from her hands. Everyone stared at Elsa in shock. Now all of Arendelle knew Elsa's secret. Elsa panicked and fled for the mountains. Anna felt horrible. Elsa's powers had created a terrible winter storm in the middle of summer. "I'll bring her back, and I'll make this right," Anna declared. She left Hans in charge of the kingdom and raced after Elsa. As Anna rode through the fierce wind, her horse threw her into the snow and ran off back to Arendelle. Luckily, Anna met an ice harvester named Kristoff and his reindeer Paul Sven. Together they set off to look for Elsa. As they climbed the mountain, Anna and Kristoff discovered a beautiful winter wonderland. They met an enchanted snowman named Olaf. Olaf knew where Elsa was, and he was eager to help Kristoff and Anna bring back summer. Meanwhile, Hans was helping the people of Arendelle. When Anna's horse came back to the castle without her, Hans turned to the crowd and said, "Princess Anna is in trouble. I need volunteers to go with me to find her." Back on the mountain, Olaf led Anna and Kristoff to against ice palace that Elsa had created with her powers. Even Kristoff was impressed. Now that's ice. Inside, Anna told Elsa about the terrible storm in Arendelle. Elsa was worried she didn't know how to unfreeze the town, and she thought that Arendelle and Anna might be better off without her. Anna wanted Elsa